This video is in a collaboration with Lomography Japan. Hey everyone, as I mentioned in my previous video, I'll be collaborating together with Lomography Japan, and today I'll be trying out one of their best product, which is this camera, Lomo LC Wide. So when Lomography asked me to choose product, I immediately thought that I need to go out of my comfort zone. So I take this as a challenge for me to do exploration, experiment, and expand my knowledge in a film photography world. So that's why I chose this product. But not just the camera, Lomography Japan also sent me some films, and I chose Lomography Turquoise, Lomography Purple, and Lomography Metropolis as a part of my experiment and explorations this time. So this time I'll take you to walk around Tokyo and trying this camera out with these films as well. Let's go.
If I'm honest, it's easy to forget that you're with me even when I'm running around, having the best or the worst day. You hold me by the hand, you long to stay close. It's you that I want, even when I'm chasing the world. You draw me back with a whisper. You remind me I long to stay close. For me, it's good to be close.
First, let's talk about the lens. So the LC Wide features a 17mm mini-gone ultra-wide angle glass lens. I've never used such a wide lens before, so shooting with it will give me a fresh perspective and challenge my usual style of photography. This comes with only 2-zone focusing mode, which is 0.4 to 0.9 and 0.9 to infinity.
I thought it would be like poetry, that feeling of when eyes meet. They said it would feel so easy.
Next is the LC Wide offer 3 shootings format: full frame, square, and half frame. Even though I don't really try out the square mode one, but I tried the full frame and half frame one. So this is my favorite feature. It's like having 3 cameras in one. You can switch format easily, making it incredibly versatile. It's also fully automatic. It has shutter speed ranging from 1 per 500 second to the long exposure. Pair that with an ISO range of 100 to 1600. And you are ready to shoot in almost any lighting condition. And lastly, it has a double exposure feature, which is simple and fun to use.
Did you have one of those days you wish you could just wish away? Or wouldn't it be nice to disappear? The world feels like it's black and white, and when you smile it's out of spite. Trust me, I've been there before. Sometimes I wonder what's the point of trying every day when we're all gonna die anyway. But maybe everything that's said will come untrue someday. We're all gonna die anyway.
Even though we don't have long, this isn't just another song that tells you to live only for today. I guess all that I wanted to say is it's okay to not be okay, and death won't have the final say.
Sometimes I of me to think about dying, but it'll happen to me and you. I lost myself again. Downward my head is spinning, messed up and medicated. This doesn't feel much like living. Laundry still on the bed. I'm anxious but that's a given. Pray for the hell of it. Just hope that there's somebody listening. Endless untangling, try to untie the string wrapping around on my fingers. Eyes get blurry, I don't see an end, and I've been hiding from myself again. And it hurts me when I pretend that I'm anything but human. Greet my unwelcome guest. I want him to leave, but the table is set, and my cold hands and shallow breath convince me I'll never get better. And this untangling, try to untie the string wrapping around on my fingers. Eyes get blurry, I don't see an end, and I've been hiding from myself again. And it hurts me when I pretend that I'm
To LA for the first time. Talk about all the wildflowers in my one-bedroom apartment. Should have been so damn alarming that you could just sit there and talk for hours about nothing at all, nothing at all. Maybe it was all my fault. Said things will get better, so we shook it off, shook it off. Start talking about the weather and pretending everything is just okay. We pretend like everything is just okay when we're not. We pretend like everything is just okay when we're not. I want a happy ending, but doesn't feel necessary. As I'm sitting in the car in the rain, contemplating on my pain, but I wish to know. sound the same. But I'd walk 1,000 miles, anything just to make you smile. So take my hand and I can lead the way. Yeah, we already know.
Overall, this camera make it easy to use in any kind of like experiment and exploration, and it's all in one in this pocket size film camera. So I personally really like it, as I really enjoy shooting with it. I think it's almost like a month for me trying this out. I do really enjoy to use this camera. So thank you all for watching as always, and thank you Lomography Japan for doing such a great product and for this collaboration as well. I'm really grateful to be able to try this great product with such a great film as an experiment and exploration to go out from my comfort zone. So yeah, I see you again guys soon. Bye.